Good morning, my dear students. So, as in our last class, we have learned about the differences of mass and weight. Today, we will calculate out what can be the weight of an object on the surface of the moon. Basically, students, we have learned that the weight of an object on the earth is the force with which the earth attracts every other object towards it. So, in the same way, the weight of an object on the moon is the force with which moon attracts other object. We know that the mass of the moon is less than that of the earth, and due to this reason the moon will exert less force of attraction on other objects. So let us consider the mass of an object to be m, small m. Let weight on the moon be Wm. Let the weight on the earth be We. Let the mass of the moon be m, and let the radius of the moon be Rm. Similarly, let the mass of the earth, me, and radius of the earth be Re. Now, as we know, there is a relationship between weight, mass, and radius. So what is that relation? So if we apply as per the universal law of gravitation, instead of weight, since we know weight is the force that is exerted by an object, so instead of F we can write W G mm by r square. This is the relation as per the law of gravitation. So for weight on the moon, it will be G mm into m by r m square, and for weight on the surface of the earth, it will be m into m r e square. Now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now if you divide 1 by 2, you will get weight on the moon to weight on the earth will be Gmm by m r square divided by G m e into m by re whole square. So we can write G mm into m by rm square into re square by G m into m cancel, the G cancel, so it can be written as re square by Rm square Me. So as we know that the mass of the moon is 7.36 into 10 to the power 22, and the radius of the earth is 6.37 10 to the power 6 whole square. These values you have to remember. Radius of the moon is 1.74 into 10 to the power 6 whole square. Mass of the earth is 5.98 into 10 to the power 24. So if you calculate it, it will be equal to 0.165, which is approximately equal to 1 by 6. So that is why it is said that weight on the surface of the moon will be 1/6 the weight on the surface of the earth. Now there are some numerical problems related to this formula. It is given that in example 10.5 in your book, it is given an object weight 10 Newton when measured on the surface of the earth. Means the weight of the object is 10 Newton when it is measured on the surface of the earth. When it is measured on the surface of the earth, the weight of the object is 10 Newton. So what will be its weight on the surface of the moon? So you can write weight on the surface of the moon is 1/6 the weight on the surface of the earth. So it will be equal to 10. So 2, 3 times, 2, 5 times. 5/3 Newton. So the weight on the surface of the moon will be 5/3 Newton. So students, in this way, using this relation, you can calculate some numerical problems. With this, your chapter is over and your course for third part is also over. Whatever doubts you have regarding any topic of this chapter, you can clear it by asking me. Thank you.